In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Figma. Figma is a powerful design tool, and mastering its fundamental features can significantly streamline your workflow. One such essential feature, often overlooked but incredibly useful, is the ability to flip images. Whether you're correcting an orientation, creating a mirrored effect, or simply adjusting an element to better suit your design composition. Knowing how to quickly flip an image is a valuable skill. Let's dive right into how this is done. First, ensure you have your Figma canvas open and the image you wish to manipulate is already placed on it. This image could be anything from a photograph, an icon, a UI element, or even a detailed illustration. The process is straightforward and consistent across various image types. Once your image is on the canvas, the very first step is to select it. With your selection tool, which is typically the default tool in Figma, simply click once on the image. You'll notice a bounding box appear around the image, indicating that it is now selected and ready for editing. After selecting the image, move your mouse cursor over it and perform a right-click. This action will open a comprehensive context menu, presenting you with a range of options pertinent to the selected object. Don't be overwhelmed by all the choices. We're looking for a specific set of commands within this menu. Scroll down or look through the options, and you will find two distinct choices: flip horizontal and flip vertical. These are the two primary ways to mirror an image in Figma, each serving a slightly different purpose. Choosing flip horizontal will mirror your image along its vertical axis. Imagine drawing a vertical line right through the center of your image. Flip horizontal will reflect everything across that line, effectively turning the image from left to right or right to left. This is particularly useful for icons that need to face the opposite direction, or for photographs where the subject needs to be oriented differently within a layout. For example, if you have a profile picture of someone facing left, a horizontal flip will make them face right, which can be crucial for achieving visual balance in your design. On the other hand, selecting flip vertical will mirror your image along its horizontal axis. Envision a horizontal line through the middle of your image. Flip vertical will reflect everything across this line, essentially turning the image upside down or right side up. This is perfect for creating reflections, such as an object mirrored in water, or for correcting an image that was accidentally imported inverted. It's also great for generating unique abstract patterns from existing elements. Once you click either flip horizontal or flip vertical, you'll immediately see the change applied to your selected image on the canvas. It's an instantaneous process. If you ever make a mistake or decide you prefer the original orientation, simply press Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac to undo the action. You can also flip multiple images at once. Just select all the images you want to flip, either by dragging a selection box over them or by holding Shift and clicking on each one, and then right-click on any of the selected images to access the same flip options. This can be a huge time saver when working with groups of elements that need consistent mirroring.